Next exercise question is, a copper wire have a diameter of 0.5 millimeter. So it is having a diameter of 0.5 millimeter and resistivity of 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. So resistivity is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. What will be the length of this wire to make its resistance 10 ohm? So resistance 10 ohm, we have to calculate the length of the wire in the first situation. Second situation, how much does the resistance change if the diameter of wire is doubled? So first we will find out the first case. So we know the formula, resistance is equal to rho L upon A. This is the formula for resistance. Now we have to calculate this length. So L is equal to RA upon rho. This will be the formula. Now R is given, area A is not given but diameter is given. So here A is equal to pi r square. Pi value we know, it is 3.14 into r. Now here diameter is given, so half of the diameter will be the radius. So and it is given in millimeter, so we have to convert it into meter. So 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 millimeter in meter we will convert. So minus 3 divided by 2 because this is diameter and we have to write the radius. So this value I will substitute here. So it is 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 upon 2 whole square, because here it is square, so it is whole square. So what we will get, 3.14 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6 upon 4, 2 2s are 4. So when you solve this, you will get 0.0000001234567 meter square. This will be the area we will get by solving this. Now we will substitute the values. So R is given, that is 10 ohm, into area we have calculated 0.234567196 divided by rho is given 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8. You will solve it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 into 10 raised to power 10. So now what we get, 10 into 196 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8, and this is plus 10, and this decimal also we will remove. So we will get 196 into 10 raised to power, these also we can write like this, upon 16 into 10 raised to power minus 8 and plus 10. So it is 10 raised to power plus 2. Again 196 divided by 16 into 10 raised to power 2, this we will take here, so minus 2. So at last we will get 196 upon 16. When we will divide it, we will get 122.72 meter. This is the now length of the wire which we get. Now if the diameter is doubled, then what will happen? So if diameter is doubled, means what will be, 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3, this is diameter and we will convert it into meter, so we will write it. So if diameter is doubled, then what will be the radius? So diameter doubled means into 2 हो जाएगा ये, तो radius will be equal to 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3. This will be the radius in meter. So again new value of resistance we will find. So for this also first we will calculate area. So again 3.14 into radius is 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 whole square, right? So this we will get 0.000000 785 meter square. This will be the area which we get. Now again we will substitute the value. R dash will be equal to rho L upon A. So 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 8 into length which we got, that is 122.72 upon area is this 0.0785. So when you will solve it, you will get 2.5 ohm. So this will be the new resistance when the diameter of the wire is doubled. Now the next question is, compare the power used in 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuit. 2 ohm resistor, we have to calculate the power. First condition, 6 volt battery in the series, it is connected and 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors are there. So in the first condition, what is given? V is given, that is 6 volt. Resistance is given, 2 resistors are there, one is that is 1 ohm and the second is 2 ohm. So they are connected in the series, so total resistance will be R1 plus R2, which is equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3 ohm. That will be the total resistance. Then in this we have to find out the power. So to find out power, we will use this formula, because in series combination I remains common. So first we have to calculate this I. So on the basis of Ohm's law, I is equal to V upon R. V is given 6 and R is 3. So I we got is 2 ampere. Now substituting this value, I is 2 into R, across which resistor we have to find out? 2 ohm resistors we have to calculate this. So we will write here 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2, it will be 8 watt. Now in the second condition, we know that a 4 volt battery, now it is connected in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistor. Okay, so since 4 volt battery is parallel with 2 ohm and 12 ohm resistance, so its potential difference is equal to what? It is 4 volt, right? So power across 2 ohm resistor we have to find out. So here we will use the formula of V square upon R, because in parallel combination the V remain constant. So for power, this formula we will use. V is 4, that is given 4 square upon R. Across 2 ohm resistor we have to find out. According to the question, we have to find out across 2 ohm resistor. So 2, 4 4s are 16 upon 2, which is 8 watt. Now their ratio. Suppose this is P1 and this is P2. So ratio of P1 upon P2 will be equal to 8 divided by 8, which is the 1. So this is the ratio. Students, always keep in your mind, when series combination the current remains same. So that's why for power this formula will be used, and for the parallel combination V remains same. So that's why for power we use the formula P is equal to V square upon R. Thank you.